In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in LinkedIn Post. If you've ever wanted certain words to pop in your post or comment, this method makes it simple and fast, even though LinkedIn doesn't have a native bold option. First, open a new browser window and go to Textric.com. This site converts your regular text into special characters that look like bold or other styles on LinkedIn. On the homepage, you'll see a text box. Click inside that box and type the exact text you want to appear bold on LinkedIn. You can enter a title, a short phrase, or even an entire sentence, whatever you need to emphasize. Now scroll down the page. You'll see your text automatically rendered in a variety of styles that work on LinkedIn, including bold, italic, and other decorative looks. Take a moment to compare them and choose a style that's readable and fits your tone. Bold or bold italic is usually the safest for professional posts because it stands out without looking distracting. Once you've picked the style you want, click the copy button next to that version. That copies the styled text to your clipboard. Next, switch over to LinkedIn and start a new post. In the post composer, paste the text you just copied from Textric.com. You'll immediately see it appear in bold or the style you selected. If you want, you can add normal text before or after it by typing around the styled portion, which is a great way to keep the most important words emphasized while the rest stays clean and easy to read. When you're happy with how it looks, select Post. After it publishes, open the post to confirm the formatting. You should see your bold or bold cursive text standing out exactly as planned. This same trick also works in comments, so you can emphasize key points in replies too. A few quick tips to keep things professional. Use bold sparingly so your message remains clear and accessible. These styles rely on special characters, so while they display correctly on LinkedIn, some older devices or screen readers may read them differently. If something is absolutely critical, consider repeating it in plain text nearby for clarity. It's also smart to preview your post on both desktop and mobile to make sure everything looks good. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.